For accounting transaction screen, we go to accounts and accounting transaction link. This opens up the accounting transaction screen. This screen shows all the cash transactions made in the system. On the records tab, we have the previous transactions. We can search our desired transaction by giving the search criteria and pressing the search button. Then the previous transaction will be displayed. Now for making any new transaction, we click the new button. Remember, these are the transactions related to cash. We select any account head. There are three types of account heads: the journal account heads, the income account heads, and the expense account head. We first select a journal account head. It's displayed that in journal account heads we can add cash or remove cash. For example, if we give a plus entry, this means we are adding cash to the shop. So this will be shown in as inflow in end of day operation. So we save this, and now this transaction will be shown as cash inflow when we perform end of day operation. Now next is we perform another transaction, and again this account is account head type is journal, so we can remove cash. So minus 2000 means 2000 is removed from the shop cash, or this is outflow. And in end of day screen, while at the end of the day we are closing the accounts, this will be shown as cash outflow. Now we perform another transaction and we select the account type miscellaneous income. The type is income, so we can only add, we cannot subtract. We can add the amount, and this amount will be shown as cash inflow when we are making end of day. Now we perform another transaction, and this time we select account head for which the type is expense. Again, it's mentioned that in case of expense we can only remove cash. So whatever amount we specify will be shown as outflow when we perform end of day operation. The transaction which we have made can be modified by selecting any transaction and then double clicking it, or by selecting and pressing the edit button. Now we can delete the transaction, or we can make modifications and press update. But remember, we can only delete or update the transaction if it is made after the last end of day. Once we perform the end of day operation, which means we have reconciled the cash for the day and closed the day, then the transaction before those cannot be deleted or updated. Only the transaction which are after the last end of day or cash reconciliation can be deleted or updated.